Hi there friends and welcome back to AKPHD. This out here is a financial update for you guys. This one is about the rights issue. So what is rights issue and how do you subscribe to it? But before proceeding with this video, let me request you to please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet and click on the bell icon to stay updated with all the interesting video updates on this channel. Well, let's begin. So what is a rights issue in simple terms? It is an invitation from a company to its existing shareholders to increase their exposure to the stocks or the shares of the company at a much discounted rate than what it is trading in the market currently. It is called the rights issue since the right to subscribe to the stocks at this discounted price is given only to the existing shareholders. So how to subscribe to the rights issue? There are three simple ways to do it basically. Number 1, through the link shared by the company on your registered email ID to subscribe to the rights issue. Number 2, through individual Demat accounts where you have an IPO or the rights issue option to subscribe. And number 3, on the company's website. So couple of times you also have a link on the official website of the company to subscribe to the rights issue. So recently there have been couple of rights issue that have been announced. We saw RIL announcing the rights issue before a few days and also Mahindra Finance has announced it recently. So rights issue for Mahindra Finance stocks opened on 28th of July and closes on the 11th of August 2020. So let's look at how to subscribe to it on the company's portal here. For that, let's open up mahindrafinance.com first. You can see the rights issue written here on the top along with the apply now button, or you may click on the no more button here which opens up this page. Scroll down and you will be able to see some more terms and conditions here. It will ask you to submit a declaration and select the country and click on the checkbox to submit the declaration. Once you submit the declaration, the rights entitlement link and the helpline option would open up. Here you will be able to see the option to apply for the same through RWAP facility. If you click on this, you will land up on this page. Here you have to click on the RWAP apply for rights issue option. Now go through the terms and conditions and submit the declaration by selecting the options as I am doing on the screen for Indian residents. Click on proceed. Now check the confirmation details and fill up your DPID, which is a 16-digit Demat account ID of yours, and also enter your PAN details correctly. Then click on the submit button. Check and fill your email ID and mobile number here and enter the OTP that you receive on your mobile to validate. Once you validate the OTP, the shareholders information page would open up. It would have your name and details about the eligible amount of shares for which you can avail the rights issue. Enter the number of shares that you would like to apply for, check your bank details, and proceed to the payment method. You can make the payment using either net banking or UPI. Well, that's it. Once you make the payment, you would receive a payment confirmation with the reference details and successful application message on the screen. You can save a soft copy of it for the future reference. Also, you would receive a message on your mobile for the same. Now you are all set and you should have a confirmation about the allotment on the declaration date by the company. The actual allotment, however, may vary based on the subscriptions that the shares see, and so the actual number of stocks or shares that is allotted to you might at times be lesser than what you have applied for. In that case, the difference money would be credited back to your bank account or the respective payment mode from which you have made the payment, and the eligible shares would be credited to your Demat account. Well, now you know the simple thing about the rights issue and how to subscribe it. Great. So that's all for this update. Please hit the like button if the video helped you understand how to subscribe to our rights issue, and also share it with your friends to share the knowledge. Also, stay subscribed to the channel for more exclusive interesting updates coming up exclusively for you on this channel. Well, that's all for this video update. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and keep artifying your lives. Bye bye.